even look. That's a stop sign. Right.
Stop sign for you.
Oh, you don't even look at me? What? Come on! Really? Yay! I knew you f***er! No! Oh, jeez, man. You don't see me? Oh. Really? Are you remote in school? Are you on the phone? Really? You want to run me up? Really? You're a motor in school and you're on the phone? You're f***ing wrong. You know you're wrong. Dude, you have no rear lights and no brake lights.
No brake light.
No rear lights, no lights, no brake lights, nothing.
I will shoot.
It's dangerous, huh? They can't see you.
Yeah, I will.
Seriously, dude? Really? Really? You didn't even look, man. Huh?
Alright.
You should just look, shoulder check, you know? No, people know, the mirrors don't work with mine. I'm trying to save your life, huh? Seriously? What the fuck is going on here? What are you doing? Oh, you're in the wrong, dude, not me. Let's go. What the f***? It's not a one-way street, man.